Afternoon guys, welcome back. So just in the Peak District today, starting a new kind of series on this channel as like an out in the field. You probably recognise this location, but yeah, focusing on species that I would find outside of nature reserves and hides. So just with my mate today, and we're just walking up and down the river here. We've seen a couple of dippers and kingfisher so far, so we're just going back to some of the spots where we found them previously. It's quite rocky around here, but yeah, we've had some pretty good encounters so far. So yeah, I'll check back in once we've got to that spot, and I'll show you what we found. Okay, so just had our first visit from the dipper, so it was just in and out of this little waterfall area here. I'll pop some videos up. It's pretty quiet around here today, to be fair. There's not a great deal of people, which is good. I know when we came through there was a bit of like a charity run. So yeah, I'll show you what we've got so far. We are going to continue up the river now, and hopefully we see some more dippers on the way up. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that. I know it's quite a short video. This is going to be quite a short segment. Just out in the field kind of thing. It's just going to be short little videos, what I can document whilst I'm out and about. We did have a couple of visits from the kingfisher, but way too quick to get the camera out. So yeah, just heading on to the next location for the next video. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. If you have enjoyed it, drop a comment down below, let me know what your highlight was. drop a like and subscribe as well, and I'll catch you next time. Cheers guys, bye bye.